episode 13 of
14.
episode 14, yeah. Episode 14 of
100 days.
the 6 minutes
100 days drawing challenge.
challenge. Yes. And in this challenge, we are featuring you. Yes, we are featuring you in our videos. If you have done some drawings, if you have done some sketches, do not forget to share with us on Instagram or add your comments in the comment section below, and we will be featuring you or your profile or your drawings that you do. Yes, see who got featured at the end of the video in this particular video. Let's get started with this week's episode 13's sketch. That is going to be of a cartoon, Mr. Bean. I am sure that you all would be loving to see Mr. Bean's cartoons, Mr. Bean's videos. Let's do a cartoon of Mr. Bean.
First, I used to know it.
Okay, let's get started. What do we start with?
No.
Do we start with the nose?
No, that's right.
Yeah, let's start with the nose.
That's with the eyes.
Let's start with the nose. Come, let's start. Big nose. Okay.
I don't know what are you making.
Yeah. Just follow me. This is gonna look like Mr. Bean's once we are done with the drawing.
Mine is ready.
Yeah.
Wait.
And the big eyes.
What are you drawing?
The big eyes. And the eyebrows over here once again. Yeah. Oh my god, I do not have space for his hairs.
I have.
I'll also manage. Okay.
Wait, I'm going to mistake.
There's the cartoon Mr. Bean's face is almost ready. Does it look like Mr. Bean yet?
No.
It does not. Let's try something more to make it look closer to how Mr. Bean looks like.
Mine is definitely not looking like Mr. Bean.
It's okay.
Mine is starting to look. And I don't have space for the body, I think.
Okay. What do we do next? We make his body, isn't it? How does his body look like? Even I don't have a lot of space for his body. But we will manage somehow.
I have less space than you.
Okay. That's his blazer. Yep. Done till here?
No.
Yeah, you are done. His hands are done. Now we make his trousers and legs. He's dancing.
A little space. I got the shoes. I drew the shoes.
I don't know what is that. Oh, what is that? His tie. Are we done? Yeah, it's pretty much ready now. Close to be ready. Close to ready. That was Mr.
What did we draw yesterday?
I don't know.
Let's check, okay?
Let's finish this first.
I finished. Let's check, okay?
So that's a beautiful cartoon, isn't it? So let's quickly jump onto this video's feature. This video's shout out.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag us at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. Okay, now that we are done with this week's shout out, were you there? Was it your channel that got featured? Yes? Wow, that's amazing. And if your channel did not get featured, just do what Parikshet just asked you to do to get yourself featured in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, any queries, any feedback you want us to draw, any particular video that you're drawing that you want us to do share it in the comments below and we'll be doing it for you. See you in the next video. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.